Hello. Good morning, all of you. Am I audible? Audio, video clear? Please mention. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Am I audible? Yes. So welcome all of you to this special lecture. So today actually we are discussing a mock test. Our plan was to do a revision, but as tomorrow exam is there for 3 of the subjects, the all full length mock test we are conducting today. Mock test means what I will be doing is I will be showing you questions, and after that 2 minutes I will give you. The timer will be on here. So 2 minutes I will give you, and you can try the question in the 2 minutes, and you can mention the answer in the chat. But more than that, the important thing is you solving the question and how much time you are taking to solve the question. Please have a look on it. एग्जाम के वन डे पहले या 2 डे पहले या 3 डे पहले वी आर कंडक्टिंग द सेशन. सो ये लेक्चर से आपको टाइम मैनेजमेंट का एक कॉन्फिडेंस मिलना चाहिए, इसलिए टाइमर होगा हर क्वेश्चन के लिए. वो टाइमर के अकॉर्डिंग यू शुड सी whether you are able to do the question in 2 minutes or how much time you took for the question. उसके बाद हर क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन हम डिस्कस करेगा. So that is how the session will go on. So please invite all your friends to this full length mock test so that they can be part of this. The session is equally useful for life science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science and earth science students. And I will be taking the official model question paper issued by CSIR itself. Yes, Sujita, time management is very important. Some of you or many of you are attempting exam tomorrow, some of you are attempting exam day after tomorrow, some of you are attempting exam Sunday. All those students, ये session बहुत ही important है. Concept का revision भी we will have with this question itself. I will teach you some basic concept along with these questions. So let us start. Shall we start the first question? All of you ready? So let us start. So yeah, we should finish the session in 1 hour or 1 hour 10 minutes. So I will briefly discuss each question. So let's start with the first question. CSIR have given this official question paper to give you a model of CSIR NET Part A section. So that model question paper itself we are discussing here. So try this question and answer. As I told, it's an opportunity to have a self-analysis, how much time you are taking. So I'm starting the timer. See how much time you are taking. After the 2 minutes is over, I will start explaining. Yeah, those of you got the answer, you can mention, but those of you are trying, please don't look at the option, you try yourself. Very good. Many of you are able to answer. And similar questions, how to do that also I will give you a quick idea with these questions. So try first, all of you. Yes, Shubhajit. So In exam hall also, maximum 2 minutes for an aptitude question. That should be the idea that should set. Maximum 2 minutes. 2 minutes से ज़्यादा time देना, that is not advisable. Okay, so the time is up. So a coin is tossed 6 times. The probability that heads will occur at least once. These at least one, at most once, these kinds of idea you should be clear about. At least once means कम से कम एक बार occur करना है. So 6 times coin toss किया तो head either 0 time occur करेगा या 1 time occur करेगा या 2 time occur करेगा या 3 time occur करेगा या 4 time occur करेगा या 5 time occur करेगा या 6 time occur करेगा. हमें at least 1 चाहिए, मतलब minimum 1 या 1 से ज़्यादा, greater than or equal to 1. That means all these we need. Yesterday when I discussed that revision session on probability, I told you complement idea will help you to do questions much faster. To find something, find what is not needed, remove it, then it is easy to find what you need. In life also, that is a philosophy then you can keep. That what you don't need in your life you remove, then what you need in your life you will understand properly. So here also what you don't need is only this, all the rest you need. So total probability 1 से 0 head वाला possibility कम करिए. 0 head वाला possibility means all the 6 should be tail. First one should be tail. Tail is just 1 out of 2 sides of the coin, right? So 1 out of 2 chance है tail मिलने का. Tail मिलना है all 6 times. So tail, that is 0 head. So 1 by 2, 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 1 by 2 होगा. All those cases, and fundamental principle of counting we discussed in last 2 classes. So definitely 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 32 will be the probability. Sorry, 1 by 64 will be the probability. वो 1 से कम किया तो आंसर मिलेगा. 1 minus 1 by 64 is the answer. That is 63 by 64. All of you understood this? ये same question permutation combination format में भी पूछ सकता है. Instead of probability they can ask, if 6 times coin is tossed, how many times, at least how many case arrangements are there where at least 1 head occur? Then what will be the answer? Can you answer this? Probability and permutation combination chapter बहुत ही connected है. So if you can try that, it will be, if you can learn that together, that will be very good. Let me check the comments. Yeah, I think what Jum told is a good suggestion. If you poll your answers in the last 10 seconds, that is also good, because many of you are looking in your phone, so automatically the chat you will be seeing. So otherwise hiding chat option is there, then that you can try, maybe that will also help. So anyway, to make an exam scenario, like exam hall scenario, if possible post your answer later, last 10 seconds you can post. 6 heads happening is also 1 by 64. All 6 head occur also is 1 by 64. Yes, Vellur. Yamini, yes. All 6 head also, all 6 tail also. हाँ, ये सब different questions पूछ सकता है. आज morning plus course में हम discuss किया था what all questions can come from these kinds of question. At least once, at most 1, at most 5. At most 5 means इसके अलावा बाकी सब चाहिए. So 1 minus 6 head चाहिए. At least, no head. No head means 1 by 64. All head 1 by 64. Exactly 3 head. That kind of questions are asked, not asked in CSIR. Because CSIR most of the time asks 0, all, at least 1, at most 1, at most second last 1, etc. So that are the common questions. So these facts will help you to do that. So the next question, series formation or symbol pattern question. Make a try super fast. Timer is on. Try this and post your answer if possible. Post your answer later so that everyone can try without a bias. नया कोर्स कब आएगा? पंकज, नया कोर्स शुरू हो रहा है 22 सितंबर से. 22nd September 8:30 a.m. the new course is launched. It is already live in the Unacademy Plus platform. 21st September से एक free course भी शुरू हो रहा है. That is for GATE exam. You can Google it and find it. GATE exam General Aptitude by Christy Varghese. If you search, you will see the link of the first lecture in the for the GATE course. That's a completely free course. 11 o'clock timing it will be. 22nd September 8:30 a.m. timing. CSIR NET course will start. GATE course also is useful for practice of CSIR NET. So that course also you can enroll. All of you try this, and if possible post your answer in the last 10 seconds so that everyone can try without bias. Learner, this class will be over by 12:15 maximum. Once we complete all 15 questions, we will finish. That's it. Yeah, most of you got it. This is a comparatively simple question. At most KCC mathematics, at most which one? At most 5. At most 5 means 1 minus all 6 head you have to do EC mathematics. So 1 minus all 6 head. All 6 head is 1 by 64. So 1 minus 1 by 64. 63 by 64 itself will be the answer in the previous question. Okay, so most of you got it. So I will start. Identify the figure that comes next to the sequence. So here the identifying the patterns, that is important. Look at this. 1 dot is becoming 2 dot, is becoming 3 dot. And dots are moving in clockwise fashion. So by that logic, next missing image में dots यहाँ होना चाहिए और 4 dots होना चाहिए. Are you all understanding? 1, 2, 3, then 4. And in clockwise rotation, here to here, here to here, here to here. So it should be here. And abhi elimination ka possibility check kariye. 4 dot here. These two options are eliminated. Now the shaded quadrants, how shaded quadrants are moving, that also in clockwise direction. Na? Clockwise direction means in the missing image it should be here only, not here, because it is already here. So this quadrant only it can be. So option A is the correct answer. All of you understood? Please respond. Very simple, na? If that is clear, let's go to the next question. Monetary problem, money related problem. Yes, Cube, are you asking about GATE course or CSIR NET course? CSIR NET December exam के लिए course शुरू हो रहा है September 22nd से. GATE February 2023 का course शुरू हो रहा है September 21st से. Yeah, the poll, sorry, the timer is running now. All of you check the timer also. After trying, you see how much time you have taken. Have a retrospection, that is very important. Most of you have exam tomorrow, day after tomorrow or Sunday. So, exam के पहले एक दिन या 2 दिन पहले you are understanding whether you are managing time properly. ये time management बहुत ही important है. ये जैसा क्वेश्चन में you should be logical, don't use formula. School days rote learning formula, please don't use. School days mein we learned profit percent, loss percent, discount percent formula. That is not how you are supposed to do this faster. To do it faster, you should know to analyze percentage properly. That is more important. Most of you got it. So I will explain. A person buys, okay, time is up. A person buys a shirt with marked price 300 at a 20% discount. So 300 marked price है, उसमें 20% discount मतलब mental math you should know. Very quick recap I will give you. Mental math कैसा कर सकता है? 20% मतलब 300 का 10% 30 होगा. एक number का 10% will be 1 decimal shifted to the left. That will be 30 here. So 20% 30 plus 30 60 होगा. 60 का discount मिला. What I am trying to say, don't do 20 by 100 into 30 or 300 also. That is not necessary. Mental math. So 60 subtracted 240 will be the price at which this person is buying this shirt. Now उसको 20% profit बनाना है. Profit is on the investment ना. His investment is 240 रुपी. उस पे 20% का प्रॉफिट मिलना चाहिए. मतलब 240 का 20% एक्स्ट्रा वो सिक्योर करना है आफ्टर डूइंग दिस ट्रांसैक्शन, आफ्टर सेलिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट. उसके लिए 240 पे सेल किया तो 0 प्रॉफिट 0 लॉस मिलेगा. सो 240 का 20% एक्स्ट्रा सेट करके वो प्राइस पे सेल करना पड़ेगा. 240 का 10% तो 24 है, 20% तो 48 है. So 48 added 288 should be the price at which he should sell it. So option A is the answer. If any of you have doubt, why can't it be 300? 20 कम 20 से ज़्यादा, ऐसा है तो कैंसिल हो जाना चाहिए ना. No, that cannot cancel because 20 कम कर रहा है ये वैल्यू का, अभी 20 ऐड कर रहा है ये वैल्यू का, ये दोनों वैल्यू सेम नहीं है ना, इसलिए ऐसा कैंसिल नहीं हो जाएगा. CSIR will try to trick you because in panic situation those simple ideas also you can mess up and think that okay 20 कम 20 से ज़्यादा, so cancel करके 300. Option definitely 300 होगा answer options में, but don't fall for that trap. Most of you got 288, so I think it is very clear. 288 should be the answer. Yesterday and day before yesterday when I did the revision, I told you these logical ideas you should be clear about. Logical ideas of monetary problem. Don't use these formula as much as possible. So I hope this much is clear. Then let's go to the next question. A very good 3D geometry problem. Very good question. Starting the timer. Try it. Yes, Shreya, exactly. Jum 15 questions. If we try 20, the problem is it will take more time. So in exam also you are allowed to write only 15, na? Even if 20 are there. So 15 questions we will discuss today. By that 15 questions, hope I can give you a quick summary of most of the important topics. Question from most of the important topics are included in this test. Any specific doubt related to question or any other versions of the question you have, you can comment it. I will try to answer it. Those who are watching live, you can put it on the live chat. If you are watching recorded, post it on the comment section. When I get time, I will try to reply. Okay, 2 minutes up. A box of sticks of equal lengths is provided. The minimum number of sticks needed to build a frame to enclose a three-dimensional volume. Three-dimensional volume, it can be anything. It can be a sphere, it can be a cube, it can be a cylinder. But for a three-dimensional volume to occupy, minimum you should have a tetrahedron shape, right? Tetrahedron or triangular pyramid. Look at this, a base being a triangle, and this is the minimum. This is a 3D shape with minimum number of edges, because you can also make a frame with a cuboidal shape, but uska edges zyada hoga na. Minimum edge के लिए ये tetrahedron काफी है. उसके अंदर एक box रख सकता है ना, 3D shape. If it is a cube or cuboid or whatever shape you can. So box or sphere. Box is not sphere, Jim. What I told is the three-dimensional volume to be kept. That can be a sphere. That is what I told. So look at this 3D shape list. In this 3D shape list, the object with, this is the triangular prism one. So object with minimum number of edges will be this one, triangular pyramid. So that is why the triangular pyramid or tetrahedron, both means the same. A pyramid with triangular base. A triangular base, and if you are joining the vertices to the top, you will get a frame which can include a 3D shape. That is the meaning of the question. How many of you understood it? मैं एक और बार समराइज कर रहा हूं. क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग ये है, आपको एक 3D शेप एक बॉक्स के अंदर रखना है. उसके लिए बॉक्स के अंदर मतलब वो बॉक्स एक सिर्फ फ्रेम है. लाइक यू कैन थिंक अबाउट मैच स्टिक्स से ये बॉक्स का फ्रेम बनाना है. सो वो बॉक्स बनाने के लिए मिनिमम कितना मैच स्टिक्स चाहिए, दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन. मिनिमम कितना मैच स्टिक्स विल डिपेंड अपॉन मिनिमम एड्ज वाला फ्रेम. Minimum edge wala frame will be a pyramid with a triangular base. Like triangular base, ऐसा base 3 edges चाहिए, 3 matchsticks चाहिए, और उसके बाद ये 3 vertices से ऊपर ऐसा frame बनाया तो that will give you a 3D frame na, to accommodate a 3-dimensional volume object. Is that clear or not? Please respond. Cone, why not? Cone, how you can make a frame from cone, Srishti? Cone is a curve, right? You have to make a, what we can say, frame. This circle, how you will make? That is my question. आपके पास क्या है? Sticks है. Gum नहीं है. Yeah, you don't have a like thread or something. Thread available tha to yes, I agree. You can make a cone also. You have sticks. Sticks are not flexible to make a cone. That is why cone is not possible. Frame to square hota hai. Kyun? Square. Again, you want to make it like a shape. एक 3D volume occupy करने के लिए एक shape चाहिए. Like you want to make a your dog you have a pet dog and you want to make a house for the pet dog. That should be a 3D shape. Not, you cannot make a base only and say the pet to occupy that. For a 3-dimensional object to occupy, there should be a 3-dimensional frame, not a 2-dimensional frame. So square is not enough at all. Yeah, minimum number पूछा है, that is why 6 is the answer. Yes, Lara. स्क्वायर बेस पिरामिड को यूज नहीं कर सकता. यूज कर सकता है लेकिन मिनिमम चाहिए ना लर्नर. स्क्वायर बेस पिरामिड का प्रॉब्लम क्या है? स्क्वायर बेस पिरामिड के लिए 8 एडजस्ट चाहिए. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 मिनिमाइज करना है ना. क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है मिनिमम स्क्वायर पिरामिड नहीं है, ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड है, इसलिए 6 आंसर है. 6 8 से भी कम है, इसलिए 6 आंसर है. वेरी सिंपल. 10 बनाना है. एक्सैक्टली जुम, 10 बनाना है. ओके, if that is clear, these 3D shapes you should be clear about. This actually the alignment got a little distorted. Anyway, these shapes you should be clear about. 3D shapes, question can ask these shapes. So The frame that I am making is this triangular pyramid, that is this tetrahedron shape. ऐसा एक frame. बाकी सब frames का edges का numbers ज़्यादा है. That is why that is not, will not give you minimum. That is why that is not the answer. So try this question. मनीषा, दिसंबर एग्जाम के बारे में पता नहीं, अभी कल परसों और संडे एग्जाम है, उसमें नाउ वी कैन कॉन्सेंट्रेट. उसके बाद दिसंबर में एग्जाम होने का चांस है, बिकॉज CSIR told that there will be 3 exams in this year. So whether they will conduct on December itself, that we don't know. Not prism, Hikmat, pyramid. If I told prism, I told wrong. Prism, sorry, pyramid is what I meant. What I drawn also is pyramid, not prism. Triangular pyramid is what you need. Triangular pyramid, there is another name we can call tetrahedron. That is what I have explained. Previous question correct answer is 6, already explained. Na? Is there more doubts? Yeah, after, okay, the poll is over, time is up. So I will explain. It's a very good question. Find the missing numbers in the bottom middle circle. The clue is left half of the central circle. Left half of the central circle means this one and this one. Relate to the left circles. Left circle means ye left half isse connected hai, ye left half isse connected hai. And right half, ये right circle से connected है, ये right half ये circle से connected है. कैसा connected है? Listen very carefully, it is very interesting. This 1 into 2 is this 2. This 3 into 4 is this 12. Is this 5 into 6 is this 30. Clear है? सेम वे ये 3 और 5 मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 15 मिलेगा ना, ये 2 और 4 मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 8 मिलेगा. सिमिलरली 1 और 6 मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 6 मिलना चाहिए. 6 वाला एक ही ऑप्शन है, यू कैन स्टॉप इट देयर बिकॉज नो अदर ऑप्शन हैव 6 इन द लेफ्ट. प्लीज रेस्पॉन्ड, इज दिस क्लियर और नॉट? वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन ना. हाँ, राइट साइड में इफ यू वांट टू नो व्हाट इज द आइडिया इन द राइट साइड, आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट आल्सो. 4 by 1 is this 4, 6 by 3 is this 2, 9 by 3 is this 3, 8 by 2 is this 4, 6 by 2 is this 3, so 10 by 5 is this 2. So 2 should be the next number. Clear or not? Super fast. Please mention. Then try the next question if that is clear. A quantitative comparison question. 2 minutes. Try it fast. Yes, Leonard. Yes, Lara. All of you have a note of how many questions you could do in 2 minutes so that you get a self-analysis. Yeah, after all questions are done, if you want, you can reveal your number of questions that you made right. So I'll explain. Yeah, most of you got option A as the answer, which is a completely wrong answer. Option A is not the correct answer. Listen very carefully. Yeah, this is a wonderful question. CSIR many a times ask these kinds of questions to trick you, where you need to understand the idea properly. A sphere of radius 4 centimeter is carved from a homogeneous sphere of radius 8 centimeter. So ये radius 8 वाला sphere है, तो इससे एक 4 centimeter वाला sphere कट कर रहा है, carve कर रहा है. You are taking it out. ऐसा एक 4 centimeter वाला sphere carve out कर रहा है. ऐसा है तो mass of the smaller sphere is, some of you may have thought like 8 है तो 8 का आधा 4, तो mass भी आधा होना चाहिए, 160 का आधा 4. नहीं, mass is directly proportional to volume ना. Mass is directly proportional to volume, not radius. So volume is actually directly proportional to radius cube. Are you all understanding? Not radius, radius cube से connected है. मतलब ये big volumes या small volume 4/3 pi 4 cube है, तो big volume will be 4/3 pi 8 cube. 4/3 pi 8 cube. मतलब 8 cube मतलब 8 into 8 into 8, 512 into 4/3 pi. 4/3 pi दोनों में common है, so we don't have to worry about it at all. ये तो 64 into 4/3 pi है. मतलब 512 and 64 का 8 गुना है 512. मतलब ये बिगर वॉल्यूम है ना, बिगर वॉल्यूम कैपिटल V है, तो ये वॉल्यूम कैपिटल V by 8 होगा. Are you all understanding that? वॉल्यूम 1/8 हो रहा तो मास भी 1/8 होना चाहिए. 160 ग्राम है तो 160 का 1/8, not half. 160 by 8, 20 gram. Those who are clear about this concept, you don't have to write all these things. Even you don't have to write 4/3 pi r cube. Why? You just have to know volume directly proportional to radius cube. Radius half हो रहा तो volume 1/8 होगा, क्योंकि 1/2 का cube, 1/2 का cube 1/8 है ना. So volume 1/8 हो रहा तो mass भी 1/8 होगा, क्योंकि homogeneous है इसलिए density same है. That is a basic idea. So definitely it will be 1/8. So 160 gram का 1/8, 20 gram. Look how CSIR trick you. CSIR know that 80 gram many people may think will be the answer. Half. So half. ये half हो गया, ये भी half हो गया. ऐसा नहीं, ये picture भी देखो, ये इसका half है. No, that is why I drawn the picture. ये इसका half नहीं होगा. ये sphere, ये पूरा sphere का 1/8 होगा size के हिसाब से भी. Is this clear or not, all of you? Those of you have doubt, please respond. If you feel comfortable to write mathematically, do it. But if you can logically do it, you can avoid all these steps and directly say volume radius cube से proportional है. So volume radius half हो रहा तो volume 1/8 होगा, तो mass भी 1/8 होगा. So 160 का 1/8, 20 होगा correct answer. So yeah, ये formulas you should know. Sphere 4/3 pi radius cube, not radius square. Radius square था तो 1/4 ही होगा, like surface area था तो. Previous question surface area के लिए नहीं दे सकता. That is a different question. Try this question. Very good question. Yes, beauty of mathematics. ये lecture का recording भी available होगा. You can watch it later also. You can share it with your friends so that they can watch it later also if they want. All my session recording will be available. Yesterday and day before yesterday, we have taken 2 revision lecture, which was very effective as per the feedback from students. It was a very effective session. Very good interaction also happened. So happy to get a good crowd 2 days and today also. So that sessions also, those of you didn't watch, if time allows, check it out before the exam. You will get a quick revision of the different most important concepts and topics. And plus platform में आज और कल plus platform course also we have taken revision of the flashcards, the most important flashcards. Yeah, don't get tensed, Ria, and all of you stay calm. That is very important, especially aptitude section mein. If you get tensed, you can misunderstand very simple things also. That is 1.5 hours each learner, 2 sessions of 1.5 hours. Flashcard revision session at 8:30 a.m. yesterday and day before yesterday. Sorry, today and yesterday. Okay, so the time is up. In a bag containing only blue, red and green marbles, all but 15 are blue. CSIR have asked this question in another PYQ also. All but something means what? All but something means total minus that much is blue. All but 15 are blue does not mean blue are 15 in number. That is totally wrong. All but 15 means all except 15. 15 के अलावा बाकी सब blue है. That is a simple meaning. 15 blue नहीं है, बाकी सब blue है. That's a meaning. बाकी सब मतलब कितना? बाकी सब मतलब ऐसा भी. There are two ways to say this. ये बॉक्स में सिर्फ red ball, blue ball, green ball है ना. All but blue are 15 means you can say total minus 15 are blue, or we can say that 15 is actually red and green number added. क्योंकि वो 15 blue नहीं है, बाकी सब blue, sorry, 15 is actually red and green number ना. 15 के अलावा बाकी सब है blue. So either you can write red plus green is equal to 15. This is one way of doing it from this sentence. Next sentence से क्या दे सकता है, क्या राइट कर सकता है? All but 13 are red. वो 13 balls red नहीं है, मतलब वो 13 balls blue या green है, मतलब blue number plus green number added is 13. All but, similarly last part, all but 12 are green. All but 12 are green means वो 12 number green नहीं हो सकता, वो red या blue होना चाहिए. So red plus blue is equal to 12. ये तीन equation से red का number find कर सकता है. That is one way to find it. In these kinds of case, when 3 equations and 2 unknowns are there, adding all the 3 equation will help. 2 times, if you add equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 3, 2 times red plus blue plus green मिलेगा. That is equal to right hand side is 15 plus 13, 28 plus 12, 40. That means red plus blue plus green is equal to 20. Red plus blue plus green is 20 means blue plus green number already 13 पता है. So red plus 13 is equal to 20. So red number is equal to 7. Did you all understood red number is 7? How? Option B will be the correct answer. Many of you got option B. That is totally correct. All of you clear? Ria, maximum time for aptitude is 30 minutes. Don't give more than that. That is my suggestion. ऐसा भी कर सकता है. There is another way. Instead, if you don't want to involve red, green, blue, you can also say if total x is the number of balls, x minus 15 blue होगा, x minus 13 red होगा, x minus 12 green होगा. Then there will be only one unknown. Yet all these values added, you will get 3x minus 40. That is equal to x itself ना. Total number मिलना चाहिए. So 2x equal to 40, x equal to 20. ऐसा x equal to 20 मिला तो x minus 13 is red number, that is 7. ऐसा भी कर सकता है. Both are correct. Both are two different perspectives only. But all but something का meaning क्या है वो clear है या नहीं, that is what CSIR is testing. CSIR in 2018, if I remember, have asked a question same like this concept. All but 2 are pigs. All but 2 are cows. All but 2 are horses. Then total how many animals were there? The answer was 3. Same idea as this. Okay, then try this question, all of you. Yes, Swati, that farmer question. Very good learner. Equation form. Yes, Pankaj. Yeah, options, values, elimination se kar sakta hai na? Yes, Pankaj. Very good. Happy to see you people are thinking in different perspectives. Keep it up. Those of you are new, check out my exam hack session where I have discussed 15 shortcut methods and 13 tips and tricks for general aptitude. That session recording is available. Google, you can search general aptitude with Christy Varghese or tips and tricks for general aptitude by Christy Varghese. You will find the playlist or you will find the lectures. New students, I'm telling this. All my previous classes you can find by searching the playlist, searching the keyword general aptitude by Christy Varghese. Different platforms I have given. Maximum free classes I have given in the Unacademy special class platform. So download the mobile application and check out my profile there. You can see more than 500 free classes to learn general aptitude for CSIR, GATE and other competitive exams, and also free Vedic math classes also I have provided there. Very good. Many of you are getting answer. Twenty seconds remaining. Okay, so explaining this. Very simple question now. Letter pattern or letter sequence. B is the second letter if you write A, B, C, D, E, F, G up to Z. B is the second letter now. Similarly, Y is the second last letter or second letter in reverse order. ये order में B second letter है, ये order में Y second letter है. Similarly, E fifth letter है forward order में. C, D, E. फिफ्थ लेटर है. बैकवर्ड ऑर्डर में वी फिफ्थ लेटर है. वी टी यू वी डब्ल्यू एक्स वाई जेड फिफ्थ लेटर है. सो fifth letter forward, fifth letter backward, second letter forward, second letter backward. Similarly, if you check it out, M will be the 13th letter forward. Yeah, there some people use the code EJOT to understand the position of letters. EJOT is actually multiple of 5 letters in English alphabet को remember करने के लिए ये acronym use कर सकता है. Fifth letter, 10th letter, 15th letter, 20th letter, 25th letter, so that you can connect it easily. M O से think करो या J से think करो. J K L M 13th letter है. N is the next letter, so that is 13th letter from backward. So this is 13th letter forward, this is 13th letter backward. Similarly, Z is the first letter from backward, so A should be the first letter forward. So A should be the answer. Most of you are clear, right? All of you are clear, I guess. Yeah, sum will be 27. That way also you can interpret. Yes, Shreya. Like letter positions add किया तो 27 मिलेगा. That way also you can say. Try this question now, all of you. Mixtures and alligation chapter problem. All these topics, detailed free classes I have given. Check it out, those of you want to. Those who are there in the Plus platform, detailed full-length courses I have given for all these topics. That also you can check out. Okay, so many of you got different answers. I can see. Let's see which is correct. Hope this session is useful and hope this session is going well. If you felt this session is useful, please do hit the like button. That will help this video to reach to more and more people according to the YouTube algorithm, and comment on it what you felt about this session, and do share this session to maximum people so that they can watch it recorded also later if they want. Okay, so ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर, करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? लेट अस टैबुलेट द डेटा एंड अंडरस्टैंड. लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. मिक्सचर्स एंड एलिगेशन प्रॉब्लम लास्ट एग्जाम में भी क्वेश्चन आया था. देयर द मिक्सचर वाज मिल्क एंड वाटर का मिक्सचर, 80 लीटर मिल्क और 20 लीटर वाटर, and the milkman is selling 1/5 and after that adding 20 liter water, then final mixture में water कितना है, milk कितना है, ऐसा एक क्वेश्चन था. सेम आइडिया है ये क्वेश्चन का भी. Instead of milk and water, it is rice and the adulterated rice or stone in the rice. So initially 5 kg adulterated rice has 2% stones in it and the rest of rice. So total mixture, that is rice plus stone mixture, 5 kg है. I will write it 5000 gram for easy calculation. 1 kg is 1000 gram ना. So 5 kg 5000 ग्राम. इसमें प्योर राइस भी है और स्टोन्स भी है. ये दोनों का मिक्सचर है. ये प्योर राइस है. प्योर राइस, आई विल राइट प्योर राइस विदाउट एनी अडल्टरेंट. सो इसमें 2% स्टोन्स है, मतलब 5000 का 2%. मेंडल मैथ अगेन यू कैन अप्लाई. 1% फाइंड करने के लिए 2 डेसिमल लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करो. 5000 का 2 डेसिमल लेफ्ट शिफ्ट किया तो 50 मिलेगा. 2% को 50 प्लस 50 100 करना काफी है. दैट इज हाउ टू सेव टाइम यूजिंग मेंडल मैथ और वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स. सो 5000 में 100 स्टोन्स है, सो बाकी 4900 ग्राम राइस होगा ना. आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग? 4900 ग्राम राइस होगा. Now read the question carefully. Half of the stone content was removed. Yeah, if adulterated rice, if you see stones in rice, we definitely remove it. But half was removed means stones will become 50 gram. But remember carefully, this 4900 will remain 4900. वो 4900 था, 4900 रहेगा. That will not change. Because only stones was removed. Are you understanding? But this is important. The total mixture will change, na? That is a mistake many of you made if you have answered option B, which is a wrong answer. Because the total mixture is now 4900 plus 50, 4950. Are you understanding? Now read the final question. Now the percentage of stone content in it. In it means in this final mixture. मतलब 50 out of 4950, not 50 out of 5000. That is wrong. So the final answer is 50 by 4950 into 100 if you want percentage. If you are good with mental math, even this can be done in your mind. But that I am not starting right now, or using elimination also you can do it. Anyway, if you cancel it, what you will get? 50, 4950, if you cancel, you will get 9 and 450, 99, right? 100 by 99 you will get. 100 by 99 will be 1.01% approximately. Because, yeah, I hope this much is clear. Please respond. Mixtures and alligation, this is a basic concept. Yes, Jum, that cucumber problem also same thing. CSIR previous year question paper में same question आया था. लेकिन वो स्टोन एंड मिक्सचर राइस नहीं, कुकुम्बर का क्वेश्चन था. कुकुम्बर का एक सिमिलर क्वेश्चन था और कॉफी चिकरी का भी क्वेश्चन सिमिलर था. सो दोस्त ऑफ योर डाउट, कैन यू स्पेसिफाई विच स्टेप यू हैव डाउट ऑन? स्टोन्स 50 ग्राम डाउट है? ऑल ऑफ यू मेंशन वेदर दिस इज क्लियर और नॉट क्लियर. Stone content out of final mixture. Final mixture is not 5000 because if this is reduced, final mixture is reduced, na? Or you think like pure rice abhi 4950 add kiya to 4950 milega. All of you clear, na? Okay. then waterless वाला, yes, Yashi, waterless वाला question भी similar था, same idea था. If that is clear, let's see a data interpretation question. हर question paper में most of the time minimum one question comes from data interpretation. It is time consuming, most of the data interpretation question. So at the time of exam, the suggestion I will give you is, if the data interpretation question is time consuming, skip it. If it is not time consuming, try it. That you by practice you will understand. Okay Khan, abhi clear hai na? So okay, timer, sorry. Yeah, timer is on. Post your answer after trying. Exactly, learner. That is the main problem. All the possible wrong options CSIR will carefully set in the options. That is a bigger challenge. Many people think that the challenge is the computations you have to do, the steps you have to do. No, that is not the challenge. The pitfalls that CSIR sets for you, that is what you should be more careful. Computations and all is very minimal in CSIR NET questions. That was in school day questions only. Fun science for tomorrow's exam. Yeah, tomorrow's exam don't learn now. That is not much use. That will only increase your tension. Maybe try one mock test or something. But if you are preparing for December exam, definitely start preparing. Okay, so the time is up. The graph shows crime rates and convictions for 5 years in a society. Crime rates means the number of crimes happen, right? Convictions means, yeah, listen carefully. Convictions means like the case came to the court and judge decided who is responsible for that crime. He is convicted, we say, na? He is convicted means he is decided. It is final verdict is made that this person or this group of people is involved or this group of people is responsible for the crime. That action is called conviction. That means for every crime, one conviction should happen. Na? Sometimes conviction can get delayed, but more than crime number, conviction number में क्या connection we can say? Conviction number will be less than or equal to crime number. Na? Are you all understanding? Because only if crime happen, conviction can be done. Are you all understanding? Only if crime happens, conviction can be done. But look at this graph. In all these graphs except or all this data except the first one, conviction number is more than crime number. That is impossible, na? Conviction should be less than or equal to crime number. Aisa okay hai. But all these years is in the x-axis. Number of cases is mentioned here. Crime cases, conviction cases में convicted cases are more than reported crime cases. Crime नहीं हुआ तो conviction कैसा होगा? So conviction number crime number से ज़्यादा होना impossible है. इसलिए graph must be wrong is the correct answer. Graph is wrong means that is why other options does not make any sense, because basic idea that conviction number should be less than or equal to crime number, that itself is wrong. That is why the graph is wrong. Yeah, after giving all build up, the graph was wrong is the answer. Is that clear? Exactly, Har Har Mahadev. That is why option D is the correct answer. Then, yeah, actually the slides I will just shift a bit. Yeah, try this. I will adjust the slide a bit. Then also the graph is wrong, learner. Conviction number should be less than or equal to crime number all the time. If in one case also, if it is not satisfied, it is wrong. Okay, the timer, I forgot to. Timer is running. I hope it is readable. Idea of pigeonhole principle is asked. If you don't know that principle, still you can do it, no problem. This question, audio video clear na? Please mention audio video clear or not. Is it getting buffered? Just a minute, I will check. Now clear. Okay, then let's continue. So there are K baskets and N balls. I have told in many classes, even last 2 classes also I told you, always try to explore the possibility of taking example method when these kinds of situation comes. K basket, K क्या है हमें पता नहीं है, N क्या है हमें पता नहीं है. So take an example for K and N. I will, but there is a criterion that K should be less than N. So satisfying that, we will take examples. 2 less than 3. So let K is equal to 2 and N is equal to 3. What is K? K is the number of baskets and N is the number of, 1 second, is the audio video clear? Please mention. Yes, okay. Then let's continue. So K is the number of baskets. So I will take 2 baskets like this and 3 balls to be put in that basket. The balls are to be put in the basket randomly. Then let us check. There is no empty basket. Can you say there is no empty basket? Again, these kinds of scenario, you should take the worst case scenario also. Even in the worst case scenario, your answer should be correct. मतलब एक भी केस में empty basket नहीं होने का चांस है तो ऑप्शन ए, empty basket होने का चांसेस है तो ऑप्शन ए गलत है. There is no empty basket, we cannot say, because we can put all the 3 eggs or all the 3 balls to the same basket, first basket, then there will be empty basket. So definitely there is no empty basket is wrong. There may be no empty basket, still okay, but there is no empty basket is clearly wrong. Did you all understood why option A is wrong? Empty basket होने के भी chances है, that is the thing. Now second option. So now you have to start from beginning. So I have taken this example. Now we will start for the second option. There are exactly n minus k basket with at least 1 ball. N minus k means n minus k, here 3 minus 2, 1 basket. there are exactly one basket with at least one ball. So can that be disproved? Can that be disproved? Again, that same example you took for the first option is enough to disprove that. There are exactly one basket with at least one ball. Sorry. Okay, at least one ball. Nah? Yeah, actually to disprove it, you need to take another example. This example you cannot take. Let us take another example. Let n equal to 4. Yeah, examples you can take any example, so provided k less than n. So in this case, I can put 2 balls in this basket, 2 balls in this basket. So there are exactly n minus k baskets is clearly wrong. One second. Yeah, that is why option B I will come back to. Let us check other options and come back to option B. Yeah, that is actually based on pigeonhole principle itself. We'll come back to that. There is at least third option we will discuss and then come back to option B. There is at least one basket with 2 or more balls. Okay. Yeah. Option C will be correct. Option B will not be correct. I will create an example to show you how option B cannot be correct. Let us take B itself. I will explain. Let us take k baskets to be 3 basket and n to be 5 balls. 3 baskets and 5 balls. There are exactly n minus k, 5 minus 3, 2 basket with at least one ball. Not necessary. I can put all the 5 balls to the same basket. There are 5 minus 3, 2 basket. N minus k will be 5 minus 3 with at least one ball is not correct. There is no 2 basket with at least one ball here. Only one basket have all the balls. That is also possible now. That is why option B is not possible. Did you all understood? Option B is not generally true. Exactly, Sonali. That is why option B is wrong. Did you all understood how option B is wrong? This is one counter example to understand it. N minus k यहाँ 5 minus 3 2 है. 2 basket with at least one ball नहीं है. यहाँ पे एक ही basket में at least one ball है. The word is exactly n minus k basket with at least one ball, not generally true. So option B is eliminated. Now option C, there is at least one basket. Hello, am I audible? Please refresh and check. Am I audible or not? Yes, okay, I don't know what was the technical issue. Now I think it is okay. If so, please try this question very fast. Clear now, na? Yeah, I will come back to that last question towards the end. Now we will complete the questions, 15 questions. After that, I will come back to that question that you people didn't listen due to that buffering issue. Sure, Diksha, I will come back to that. Arup, that is what I told. I will come back to that. All of you try this question now. I don't know, Anubudhi, what is the issue? Is it a server issue or is it an internet issue also? I don't know actually. Anyway, we'll continue. I will go a little faster. This is a general science or general understanding question actually. Okay, I'll start explaining. A uniform cylindrical container is half filled with water. The height of the cylinder is twice the diameter. The cylinder is gradually tilted until the water touches the brim. At that instant, the container is inclined at. Actually, this you can just intuitively conclude. You can think like this. If the cylinder is like this, cylinder का height और diameter same है. Height और diameter same है तो Now this is 90 degree. If you are keeping it at 45 degree like this, so this is half filled only with water. Half filled means it is like this now. Now if you are tilting it, this will be like this, so that this will be 45 degree. You just think like this. Ye half hai, ye bhi half hai na. Up to the brim means this angle should be half, so that this and this are equal in volume. ये दोनों equal है ना, half half है तो ये दोनों भी equal होगा. उसके लिए 45 degree to vertical is enough. I hope that understanding is enough. Diameter and height is same as mentioned, Shreya. Okay, it is not. Okay, twice. Sorry. Height of cylinder is twice the diameter. Sorry. Twice height of cylinder will be twice the diameter, means if this is 2r, this will be double of that. Yeah, that does not matter. Anyway, this is half na. That does not matter. So this will be 45 degree to the vertical. Okay, we'll go a little faster. Actually, now we need to cover 4 more questions. It is already time. So we'll do one thing. I will just complete all the questions poll. After that, I will explain one by one. That will be better, I guess. Try this question, geometry question. Yes, water height is equal to diameter. Yes, Swati. Start the poll anyway. I mean the timer anyway. Try it and post your answer. Those of you are writing exam tomorrow, day after tomorrow and Sunday, if possible, if you remember any question, please try to share it in my Telegram group or Telegram group or personal Telegram. You can send me the question or mail me so that I can discuss that question in the paper analysis session. Tomorrow's question papers, paper analysis we are planning to conduct on Saturday 11 o'clock and 5 o'clock we are planning to. We'll confirm the timing tomorrow. You can be part of my groups to get update of it. Anyway, paper analysis will be done in the upcoming days. So if you remember any question, memory based questions only we can discuss. Those who questions students have sent, that we will be discussing. So if you remember any questions, do let us know. Yesterday I have taught you the theory behind this question. Circle theorems. Okay, so I'll explain. Circle PQR, yeah, I will explain very fast so that time is less. A circle PQR is inscribed in a quadrilateral ABCD. The circle touches the side AD at point S. AP is equal to 8. This much is 8. AP is 8. QC is 3. This much is 3. DC is 6. DC is 6. This much full is 6. Then AD is, this is what you need to know. This is very simple. Yesterday we learned na, tangents, two tangents from a common exterior point will be equal. This TQ and TP are equal. Circle theorem. That circle theorem you can use here. By that, we can say we need this full length ना, so AS length और SD length find किया तो उसका sum होगा answer. AS length already पता है, ये 8 है तो ये भी 8 होगा. अभी SD length और DR length same है ना, so ये 6 है, ये 3 है तो QC 3 है तो CR भी 3 है, because they are common points है, tangents है, so they both are 3. ये 6 है, ये 3 है तो 6 minus 3 3 होगा DR. DR 3 है तो SD भी 3R है, same theorem itself. So 8 plus 3 11 होगा आंसर. बहुत ही सिंपल है ना. Please respond. Is this clear or not clear? All of you clear? So that is how 11 is the correct answer. The theorem we used is two tangents from a common exterior point to a circle are equal in length. Then two more questions, I guess. Try this question, speed, distance, time problem. Try it fast. And geometry, both. It's a hybrid question, we can say. Okay, so I'll explain. So this is very simple actually, if you understand it properly. The semicircle, that part, you can do this in different ways. The logical way I'm telling here, this is where you need to start with. The ant is crawling along the x-axis such that the graph of its position on the x-axis versus time. Position on the x-axis versus time means if this is x-axis, if initially it was at 0 position, in 2 seconds where it will be. Can you tell me that? This is 4 seconds. This is time in seconds. This is distance in meter. At 2 seconds, how much distance from origin it is at from the x-axis? That is where the semicircle comes into play. This is semicircle means this is radius. So definitely this height is going to be 2 units. Are you all agreeing? Because this much is 2. This is also 2. Clear or not? So we can say at 2 seconds, it will be 2 meter from the origin. So 2 meter like this, and just the same path it is traveling, and finally 2 meter backward. So 2 meter plus 2 meter, 4 meter is the answer. Did you understand this idea? वो semicircle का radius, that 2 meter is the distance covered in 2 seconds. Agla 2 seconds may be 2 meter. So 2 meter plus 2 meter, 4 meter. So 4 meter is the answer. I hope all of you understood this. Thus, if you have doubt, can you specify? Try this question also, another speed, distance, time problem. Very good question. All of you try this. No, that is in meter. It is mentioned, Tarun. X in bracket meter. This is also similar. This similar question was asked in 2022 also in one paper. Okay, 20 seconds remaining. Do one thing. I will draw a circle to explain by the time you people complete. Okay, so listen very carefully. Two boys A and B are two diametrically opposite points on a circle. So if A is here, B is here. मतलब बीच में diameter distance है ऐसा, but they can move only on the circumference of the circle. So there is a semicircle circumference in between them. There is a semicircle corresponding distance in between A and B initially. A anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means like this. Clockwise means like this. B clockwise. And A का speed B का speed दिया है. Actually that is not very relevant at all. A का speed V, B का speed 2V है. That is relevant only to know where they will meet. Where they will meet is not the question at all. When they will meet is the question. When they will meet. Where they will meet, if it is asked, this is double the speed. B will cover double the distance. Double the distance compared to A when they meet. Somewhere here. So question is saying that A and B are meeting in 2 minutes, they pass each other. So this is, say if this is the point, they pass each other, A and B together. How much later will they pass each other for the second time? Listen very carefully. First of all, to pass each other, they need to cover the half circle ना. Half circle cover करना है. Half circle cover करने के लिए 2 minutes लगा. लेकिन अभी हाफ सर्कल कवर किया तो पास नहीं होगा. अभी पास करने के लिए A ऐसा ट्रैवल करना है, B ऐसा ट्रैवल करना है, एंड समवेयर दे विल मीट. फॉर दैट दे बोथ टुगेदर शुड कवर अ फुल सर्कल. इनिशियली हाफ सर्कल कवर करने के लिए 2 मिनट्स लगा. सो फुल सर्कल कवर करने के लिए 4 मिनट्स लगेगा ना. वेरी सिंपल आइडिया, नो कैलकुलेशन नीडेड. दिस इज व्हाट CSIR expects from you. Same idea question was repeated in 2022. Are you all understanding this? Please respond. Exactly, हर हर महादेव. इनिशियली ये हाफ सर्कल वो दोनों मिला के हाफ सर्कल कवर करना था, उसके लिए दोनों मिला के 2 मिनट्स लगा. अभी दोनों मिला के फुल सर्कल कवर करना है, क्योंकि पास ईच अदर के लिए ये फुल सर्कल कवर करना है, उसके लिए उसका डबल टाइम लगेगा ना. हाफ सर्कल के लिए 2 मिनट्स और फुल सर्कल के लिए 4 मिनट्स. वेरी सिंपल. Where they are meeting, to know that speed and all will help you. But where they are meeting is not the question. When they are meeting is the question. That is why itna analysis काफी है to do it faster and smarter. Then another data interpretation question was there. This one, please try this. Hello, am I audible now? Am I audible now? Please refresh and check whether it is working. Hello? Clear now. Okay. I don't know what is the issue today. So maybe YouTube also is tensed about your exam that it is buffering. So anyway, let us try. So okay, a car is moving along a straight road. The graph shows how the speed varies with time. Speed with respect to time. So these kinds of questions you can take an example and understand, like 5 seconds, 10 seconds. 5th second mein speed is something like 10 meter per second. Uske baad 10th second mein maybe it is like, or 15th second mein it is like 30 meter per second. Just to give an idea. उसके बाद 15th सेकंड के बाद सारा सेकंड्स के लिए स्पीड इज रिमेनिंग द सेम. सो इतना क्लियर है ना? If that much is clear, now which of the following graphs represents the distance covered by the car with respect to time? That means speed time graph को distance time graph convert करना है. Initially the distance was increasing exponentially, right? Distance was increasing because there is an increasing speed. Then the speed was constant. Speed was constant. Actually this graph, when it is drawn, this should be a curve and then a straight line. That is what is meant actually. I have drawn it with this tool. That bend is not proper, but all other options are clearly wrong na? Because as I told, speed time graph में ऐसा एक linear ग्राफ है तो डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ में ऐसा एक एक्सपोनेंशियल कर्व होगा एंड स्पीड टाइम ग्राफ ऐसा कांस्टेंट आ रहा तो डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ में वो एक लीनियर लाइन होगा. बिकॉज व्हाट इज स्पीड? रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ डिस्टेंस ना. रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ डिस्टेंस इज कांस्टेंट. Rate of change of distance is constant means this slope should be constant in a distance time graph. Here this is distance is constant, that is wrong. Speed is constant, so this graph is clearly wrong. Here this is totally absurd graph. This is not possible. Time cannot have multiple distances. That is non-linear time. That is impossible. Here also multiple distances at the same time. So that can be eliminated. That elimination is enough to say that option 1 can only be the answer. Did you all understood? Please respond. ये third and fourth option absurd options है because at particular same time multiple distances. मतलब 10th second में कार को 10 मीटर अवे भी देख सकता था, 20 मीटर में भी, 30 मीटर में भी. Yeah, maybe the car of Doctor Strange that it can go in multiple realities and be present at different distances at the same time. For believing time is linear, this is impossible anyway. And this also at the same time multiple distances, that is impossible. And distance is decreasing, that is another problem, that is also impossible. So these two graphs are totally wrong graph for any data. And this graph, for this data it is not matching, that is why this is wrong. Because here the distance is same for every time. If speed is constant, this can be correct, this region can be correct if the graph was like this. Speed time graph x-axis mein hai to that will be true. Did you all understood this? So just a minute, let me check the chat whether this is clear. Yeah, did I complete 15 questions? Please mention. In between, due to buffering issue, I had to reorder the question a bit. Yeah, I think all 15 questions are done. Now the doubtful question, this one due to buffering, I think I could not complete the explanation. Na? Please mention if you are clear about all questions. Yeah, it's already 12:36. Let me check. Okay. So 15 questions. If anyone want to mention how many questions you could do, right? I will be happy to see. If you don't want to reveal, I respect your privacy. So you can skip mentioning also. Just analyzing yourself how many questions you were able to do correctly. For that only this test is conducted. So that one, sure. Yeah, those of you had this one, I will just repeat once more. 13 out of 15, 14 out of 15, 12 out of 15, 11 out of 15, 7 out of 15, 11. Yeah, actually, whatever be the number of questions you made right, congratulations. And if you could not make much questions right also, it's okay. हर एग्जाम में कुछ क्वेश्चन बहुत ही सिंपल होगा. कल परसों संडे ये 3 डेज का एग्जाम में डेफिनेटली 7 to 8 वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन एटलीस्ट होगा. ऑल प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर्स में ऐसा था. आइडेंटिफाइंग दैट करेक्टली, दैट इज अ चैलेंज यू हैव. सो फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई दैट इजी क्वेश्चन, उसके बाद टाइम है तो मोर डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन ट्राई करिए. सो this question I will explain very fast. Option A is wrong because I can take a counter example where K can be 2 basket and 3 balls. 2 basket and 3 balls. In that case, there is no empty basket is wrong. It can be also like this. 3 basket into a single, 3 balls into the same basket and the 1 basket empty. There is no empty basket is wrong because of that. ऐसा एक counter example create कर सकता है. Option B क्यों गलत है? Why option B is wrong? I will explain. There are exactly n minus k basket with at least 3 balls. I can take any k and any n. Na? So I will take 3, k being 3 and n being 5. N is number of baskets. So if I take 5 basket and 3 balls, and if I put, sorry, k should be, k is basket number. So k be 3 basket and 5 balls. If I put all the 5 balls into the single basket, then is option B correct or not in that example? There are n minus k, that is 5 minus 3, 2 basket with at least 1 ball. There is only 1 basket with at least 1 ball. बाकी दोनों basket empty है. कम से कम एक बॉल होना चाहिए, लेकिन कम से कम एक बॉल नहीं है 2 baskets में. एक ही बास्केट में कम से कम एक बॉल है. सो ऑप्शन बी गलत है. यह काउंटर एग्जाम्पल काफी है वो डिस्प्रूव करने के लिए. अभी ऑप्शन डी भी डिस्प्रूव कर सकता है. देयर आर n minus k basket with exactly 2 balls. Yeah, that same example was enough. 3 basket and 5 balls. There are n minus k, 2 basket with exactly 2 balls. No basket with exactly 2 balls here. So that is also wrong. 3 options are wrong, so option C is correct. Option C is correct. You can prove it logically also. How you can prove it? There is at least 1 basket with 2 or more balls is correct because k is less than n, not less than or equal to n. Less than or equal to n था तो option C भी गलत होगा. Less than n means strictly less than. So whatever be the basket number, at least one more ball is there. At least one more ball is there means at least one basket में more than one ball होना चाहिए. All basket में 1 ball रखा तो that extra ball कहाँ रखेगा? So definitely 1 basket में at least 1 basket में 2 balls होना चाहिए. 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा. 2 or more balls in at least 1 basket is totally true. I hope it is clear now. So that is how to do this question. Okay, I think today's session was useful for all of you. Your feedback will be helpful. If you felt it was useful, do hit the like button. That will help YouTube to recommend this to maximum people. And those of you who want to be part of my full-length courses, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription. Till tomorrow, there's a special offer that you can get 20% off on your subscription if you are using the referral code CC10Live. And more details of my full-length courses, September 22nd, the new batch is starting. All of you are welcome. In case you want to prepare for the upcoming GATE exam or December NET exam, you are welcome to be part of the new batch of courses. Complete course will start from September 22nd. And once again, all the best for all of you for tomorrow's exam. The September 22nd course will be useful for your upcoming GATE exam preparation also, NET exam preparation also, and a dedicated GATE course also is starting from September 21st. That is in the YouTube, will be in the YouTube. And this is the details of the complete course in Unacademy Plus platform. It's a detailed course with almost 83 days, 58 classes of 90 minutes duration. It will cover entire syllabus of CSIR NET Part A, theory, previous year questions and practice question with PDF study material also. You will be able to access that course. And there are 65 other courses in my profile. All those you can access by a single subscription of Unacademy Plus with the referral code CC10Live, which will give you maximum discount for your Plus subscription. And not only that, you can access all your subject educators courses also by the single subscription. Detailed courses on each topics are also available. GATE PYQ course, Vedic Math course, DBT course, all will be complimentary available for you by access of this subscription itself. So all of you are welcome in case you want to be part of this course. So 22nd September, the new batch is starting for CSIR. New batch for CSIR Part A. And 21st September, new batch for GATE General Aptitude. This is completely free course. This is plus course. So with plus subscription, you can access it. And from 17th September onwards, paper analysis session will be there in this channel and in my YouTube channel also. Paper analysis of this 2022 September exam question paper. So those of you remember any questions, please send it to us. Either telegram me or you can mail it at christy1710@gmail.com. If anyone remember any questions, you can mail me this question so that I can add it in the paper analysis session to be conducted after the NET exam. So once again, all the best for all of you for the upcoming NET exam tomorrow, day after tomorrow and Sunday. Keep your calm and try maximum questions and understand the easy questions and do. That is enough to get good marks in aptitude in less time. That in less time is very important. 2 minutes maximum for a question. Don't take more than that. 2 minutes maximum for a question. So 30 minutes maximum for one aptitude full question paper. 30 minutes for aptitude section. That is what I will suggest you. And whether aptitude should be done in the beginning or in the end or in the middle, that is a question many people ask. That I will say it is up to you, but I will suggest you aptitude should be done at a time when your brain can properly work. Brain is not exhausted or saturated. So that most people, if it is in the middle, many people, they can think better in the beginning of the exam. Then you can, if that is the case, you can try aptitude in the beginning. Otherwise, you can try aptitude in the middle or in the end. But time management is the thing. If you do aptitude in the beginning or in the end, please don't take more than 30 minutes for aptitude. After exam, don't tell that, okay, I took aptitude in the beginning and I took 1.5 hours and didn't realize that I took that much time and I couldn't do subject part in the remaining time. Please don't make that mistake. If you are doing aptitude in the beginning, decide that I will not take even 1 minute more than the time I am allotting for aptitude. And time you should allot for aptitude, I will say it should be maximum 30 minutes. That is ideal, because 2 minutes for a question, 15 questions करने के लिए 15 into 2, 30 minutes काफी है. So time management is enough. So what I will suggest you is after every question, have a look at the timer right in front of you. Because it is an online exam, the timer is right in front of you. So you can check it after every question. That will make a habit of making you understand how much time you are taking. Your brain itself will understand it after 2-3 questions. So otherwise the problem is many people, the mistake is they don't realize how much time they are spending. And another mistake is एक क्वेश्चन ट्राई करना स्टार्ट किया, स्टार्ट करने से बाद पता चला यह क्वेश्चन इज नॉट, they are not able to solve it properly, but still they are stuck on that question, stuck on the question for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes and not realizing that they are taking more time. And some people, even if they realize, it is like they are so stubborn that they don't want to go to the next question without solving it. Please don't do those kinds of mistakes. एक क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आ रहा है या क्वेश्चन समझ में आया लेकिन स्टेप्स में स्टक हो रहा है, you cannot proceed further. Don't get stuck with that question. Go to the next question, because then you are wasting time for trying your subject part also, trying other easy questions from aptitude section also. So finding easy question and skipping difficult question is very important. So these are some of the tips and tricks I want to give you. So I think we can complete this session here. New students, check out my previous classes, upcoming classes. You can search my keyword General Aptitude by Christy Varghese or General Aptitude with Christy Varghese. You can see thousands of classes in different platforms. I have given more than 1,000 classes available free of cost. All those things you can use for your further learning or further practice. And those who are having exam tomorrow, once again, all the best. Day after tomorrow, students also, tomorrow I won't be taking a free class most probably. So day after tomorrow exam students also, Sunday exam students also. All the best once again. May God bless you all. Do well in your exam and do let us know how you did the exam. After the exam, you can post in the groups how was the exam, and you can post your question that you remember also in the group so that we can make a discussion or we can discuss whether your answer was correct and all. So stay tuned for the upcoming free classes. Next week onwards, GATE full length course also is starting from 21st September 11 AM onwards. So thank you all. Take care all of you. All the best once again. May God bless you all. Thank you.